Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Monday.com tasks. Monday.com is a work operating system that enables teams to manage their work and tasks efficiently. In this tutorial, we will explore what Monday.com tasks are, how to create and manage them, and best practices for maximizing their potential. First, let's define what a task is in Monday.com. A task is a single item of work that needs to be completed by a team member or a group of team members. Tasks can range from simple to-do items to complex projects that require multiple steps and dependencies. To create a task in Monday.com, you need to log into your account and navigate to the board where you want to create the task. A board is a visual representation of your workflow, and it consists of multiple columns and rows. Each column represents a stage in your workflow, and each row represents a task. To create a new task, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the board and fill in the task details. You can add a title, description, due date, and assign the task to a team member or a group of team members. You can also add attachments, such as files or images, to provide more context to the task. Once you have created a task, you can manage it by updating its status, adding comments, and assigning dependencies. Dependencies enable you to link tasks together, so that when one task is completed, the next task is triggered. This feature helps you to create a workflow that is automated and efficient. Best practices for using Monday.com tasks include breaking down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks, prioritizing tasks based on their urgency and importance, and setting realistic deadlines. It's also essential to communicate clearly with your team members and stakeholders, and to provide regular updates on the task status. In addition to creating and managing tasks, Monday.com also provides a range of features to help you track progress and analyze performance. You can use the dashboards to visualize your workflow, and the reports to gain insights into your team's productivity and efficiency. In conclusion, Monday.com tasks are a powerful tool for managing your work and workflow. By creating and managing tasks effectively, you can streamline your workflow, improve communication, and increase productivity. Remember to break down large projects into smaller tasks. Prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance, and set realistic deadlines. With Monday.com tasks, you can achieve your goals and take your team's performance to the next level.